Trying to position this right. And I gotta stay real close to you.
Yeah.
Hi, how are you? Ay,
Oh
Dios.
God.
Oh.
I feel like a Jordanian.
How was my hair?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
It does look nice, right? I just
Yeah.
gotta do my roots over again.
Yeah.
Right? Because, man.
Life is good. I'm having a good time.
Life is good. I think I have to sit a little closer to you.
Then you want to
I
hold
like
me.
you. I really like you.
You the best.
You're the best mom. Huh.
You
Is
could
that
put this.
cooking?
You could put this on YouTube.
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah. That's what we're gonna do.
Oh.